Here's a little lesson on how and why to nip with nippers. This is a pair of nippers. They're used to cut glass, obviously, and they're not extremely accurate. If, say, I needed to cut a piece that was going into this area right here, I don't know if you can see that. Right up in here, you see that a whole piece won't fit there, so we'll need to cut one. I'm going to use this piece. I like the color for there, and I know that the piece is going in about at this angle because I'm following this line. So I'm going to make a little mark actually right on the piece of glass with a marker, or you can use a Sharpie. So I'll put it about where I need it. And this is a guesstimated way to do this. I know that shape is something like this, so I can see either end of it. So that's the kind of shape I think. I'm going to take the nippers and cut off some, and then slowly, little by little, nip a little bit more off. And hopefully, whoops, that's what happens. When that happens, you get another piece. Let's try this. I know I need that cut right there. So I'm going to try it a little deeper in. So that worked pretty good. You just can't nip too much at once. So you nip little by little, and you'll get your shape. At least you'll get close to it. Close is good enough. So let's see what it looks like. I didn't go deep enough with the cut. You see it doesn't line up. So I need that same cut, but I need it deeper. Or I can go to the other side where it's easier to cut and make a straight cut. I'm going to take a couple of nips. You can see how it works. The edge gets a little bit ragged, but mosaics are forgiving. And you'll end up, that's pretty much what you need. And you don't really see it being a ragged cut because it's small in comparison with the rest of the artwork. Take some thin set and put it on the piece, or you can put a This mosaic will be a bench, and I'm trying to keep it as flat as possible so people don't snag their clothes if they sit on it. So what I do is I take something flat and rigid, like another piece of glass, or it could be a book, or it could be a lot of things, a piece of wood. And I press it in so that it is at the same level as the glass around it. That keeps it smooth. Gives you a nice smooth surface. I want to make a shape that goes in here. Now I know this line of tiles is going to end up like this. I just sort of eyeball it. I look and see how this line's going. make a mark there. Now what I don't want to do is cut one that's not big enough and I have to make two little pieces. So I'll find a piece that will fit in there a little bit better. Let's use this iridescent side, that's good. So, let's see how it's going to fit there. I'm going to need to cut this off, so it'll fit in there. Now remember, you need extra tiles because every time you cut one of these, you may not make a perfect cut, you may have to get a new piece. But like I said, if you go little by little, you should be fine. Right on that line, see how it fits. It fits fine. So there'll be a tiny little piece that'll go in there, or not. You could fill that with grout. So put a little fence head on here. And I'm going to flatten it with this. And like I said, the flattening part of it is really only necessary if you're making something somebody's going to sit on, and you need it to be a very smooth surface. So that's what we have here. I like to do it. I like to flatten everything out no matter what, because it just looks better to me, but some people like it a little bumpy.